Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 2 8mm screws and 6 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lift the palmrest partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 4 3.5mm screws from the battery. Remove the battery cover and lift the battery off its post to remove it. Replace the battery back onto its posts, and replace the battery cover. Replace the 4 3.5mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. With the palmrest slightly tilted, plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. And plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Lay the palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 2 8mm screws and 6 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.